Hey, Gary Becker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, we're going to take a look at Traffic Beast, the brand new first-to-market app plus system for 2021. It's going to get you traffic in the next 60 seconds. We're going to take a look inside the dashboard, walk through the tutorials, and explain exactly how you're going to be able to get free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds, tap into a secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers, how it's a 100% done for you system, designed and made for you, the beginner. It's brand new tech for 2021, and you can start working at home to achieve financial freedom, quit your job, stop failing, and finally break free and never have monthly fees ever again. As well as, if it doesn't work out for you, you got a 180-day money-back guarantee. So inside of Traffic Beast, when you get to tutorials, here's what you're going to find out exactly what's going on. They're going to say the typical way to make affiliate commissions is to set up a squeeze page with a lead magnet and a thank you page that people download, and then you have a follow-up series, or a squeeze page direct to an offer and a follow-up email series. With Traffic Beast, you're going to set up a squeeze page here inside of Traffic Beast. You're going to provide a free product that the vendor of Traffic Beast created in 2019 and is now given away for free, and then you're going to make money off of the upgrades that your traffic is going to buy, and then you're going to follow up with an email series using an autoresponder that you're going to connect here inside of Traffic Beast, which they're going to show you here how to integrate your autoresponder. And of course, you'll need to get a free trial to your autoresponder that will then have a monthly fee to utilize that autoresponder. Your traffic will be via social sharing, and you will social share the images that you will make here inside of Traffic Beast, and then you will set up and create affiliate marketing campaigns using the training here that they're going to provide you. Once you get down here to the awesome traffic strategies, which is solo ads, right here, get your traffic, click on this button. It's going to take you over to Udemy to buy solo ads. The other traffic strategies are, again, social media and sharing on social media, as well as you get some bonus content where you can subscribe to the YouTube channel to learn about the best affiliate marketing blueprint, which is something called Ultimate Commission Club, and then a random pitch for you to join and purchase and get in on the exchange of Bitcoin, which Traffic Beast takes no responsibility for your actions on the exchange. Investments can go up and down as well. Only invest what you can afford, which hopefully is $10 a Bitcoin when you click this button. So what happens? You go here under click create campaigns. What you do is you click this button to create a new campaign. Here you walk through, you set up your campaign title, your campaign name, you integrate your autoresponder, here a Weber GetResponse, whichever autoresponder that you're going to have to pay a monthly fee for that they said you're never going to have to pay. Then you're going to go through these settings to set up the rest of your squeeze page. And when you go back, they have some done for you here. You can see if you click on this to view one of the squeeze pages, you will see the squeeze page right here. That again has an affiliate link inside of that squeeze page that they talked about here in the tutorials, showing you how Traffic Beast works by setting up your squeeze page here under your campaigns, creating an access to a free product, and then when they purchase the upgrades, you will make commissions off of that free product. Once you get people to your squeeze page, again, which is using solo ads or sharing to social media. This is the free product that you'll be giving away, or one of the free products. It's called Affiliate Sites. You can see that this product was launched. The contest for this product was in 2019. Here is the list of products, Affiliate Sites Pro. So the goal here is to give away Affiliate Sites Pro for free and then make a commission on the rest of the funnel. Again, the traffic will be up to you to get, and you will also need to request approval by requesting the offer. So once you get your offer approved, you'll click on link settings, and here what you'll see is a free link to give away this for free. And again, this is your affiliate link, so when someone clicks on this, they will land on this and they will add it to the cart for $0. They will check out for free, and then they will be tossed into the affiliate sites funnel. Again, from the traffic that you generate to the squeeze page, which is the lead magnet for the free product from the vendor, Glynn Kosky, that you'll be giving away for free, and hopefully earning commissions on the upgrades, and then following up with the email series, again with an autoresponder that you will have to integrate, that you will have to purchase and pay a monthly fee. Of course, it was said here that no monthly fees would ever need to be paid, and you'd be able to tap into secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers and get free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. You do have some done for you bonuses here. Basically what you can do, you can click on one of these to create a new bonus, and you fill out all this information, and it creates a squeeze page here that links to a bonus. Again, you click on view. It's another squeeze page for someone to register. So again, you'll need traffic to drive to this bonus page. And to drive traffic, you go here to social images, and you create a new social image, which you give it a name, set the width, set the height, and create a new social image. And inside of here, at some point, some way, you select an image that's freely available from Pixabay or Flickr. And then once you select one of these images, you use that image, you create this image, and then you put layers over it with text. You add the text, and of course that text is here for your image. Then you can resize that, make it big, all that good stuff, and then you save and close. Now you have your text image that you saved right here that you can download, and then you can share that on social media. There's also a link here to WarriorPlus database, and what that does is bring up or imports the WarriorPlus database and gives you a link that's not clickable that you would need to copy here, and it gives you some sales information, and that's all that is. You could just as easily go back to WarriorPlus and of course go to affiliate, go to offers, and get all that information directly from here, where you will need to request your link anyway to get your affiliate link. So this is absolutely pointless and adds zero value to the product. Down here is free traffic. Here you watch this video and you follow these steps to register for Affiliate Traffic Lab, Viral Newsjacker, and you click here for some more free training. And then you go scroll down here and you can submit a form to get free traffic. And then they have some more bonuses here to include your free traffic guide, which shows you how to get free traffic from the Ultimate Commission Club. And in this book, they're going to cover how to get free traffic in all the ways, of course, to include social media and Instagram, which is where you're going to get or tap into your secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers. So you're just 3 steps away from wall-to-wall viral buyer traffic. Step 1, click the buy button to secure your copy now. Step 2, log in and enter your details into the system. Step 3, flip the built-in traffic switch and watch floods of free traffic. Activate your done-for-you magic profit link. If you're fed up with these kinds of push-button apps that absolutely do nothing new under the sun, other than give you some way to create useless squeeze pages to useless products, go ahead, check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective free step-by-step training that you can use to start your own online affiliate marketing business today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see right here on the screen. Click that, watch one of those, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.